007 car. Number Lee, stuck in the mud, representing the Warren Fire Department.
Dead duck. Get him, Mike.
And gets a run. Now Reed able to refire Ackley. Trying to get away. Here comes Reed after. Gets a hit on the left rear of Mike Ackley. The Harper aluminum. Now Ackley going to pull his car back around. Going to go bumper to bumper. Reed back away. Back in the shade, white car. Mike Ackley still plenty of power under the hood of the can. He takes Reed back down, all the way down to the north end in front of Phil Flair. Now race in with a race fire.
Uh-oh, Mike, come on.
Trying to refire. Can't get the motor going. Trying to turn it over as Reese tries to finish him off with the bumper into the front end. Mike Ashley. Trying to refire the motor. On the clock. Mike Ashley. He'll break off. Dustin Reese will win. And Robert Lee third. Green flag for the finish. Corey Levy, number 66. Leader in the 01. And he hit the power of this. Number 9 going into the arena. Baker hit down to the north